courtroom brawl started before two defendants were sentenced for murder, and apparently the fight was not between the victims and the defendants' families. Fox 4's Monica Evans has those details. Monica?
Susan, court personnel say they don't know what the fight was about. The brawl happened in court while the judge was on the bench. The women were in court to hear the sentencings for two murders by two defendants. Normally, when the court is called to order, the proceedings begin, but that didn't stop two women from yelling and hitting one another. It happened before Michael Gunn was sentenced to 50 years in prison for the murders of Andrew Eli and Justin Bedreau. According to court testimony, Eli and Bedreau were shot in the back of the head. Investigators say Gunn and Area Doss burst into Eli's apartment on 59th and Tracy to rob the place. Larry Marshall was also charged with the murders, but investigators say he left the property before the robbery and the shooting. Marshall took a plea and was sentenced to 16 years in prison.
We know it will never bring our son back, so it's just there's not an amount of years that they could have given to ever make us feel really good about it.
Denise Jones, Marshall's aunt, says her nephew and Gunn are not the triggermen. She says Area Doss confessed to her after he used her bathroom to clean up after the murders.
They said two men had been killed. One was killed and one was on his way to the hospital. And he said the other one died because I made sure he was dead. And I turned around in my room and looked at him. And I said, "You must leave my house." He said he killed the people. And Mikey killed the people. Aaron.
Jones says investigators never questioned her about the case. Area Doss, the third defendant in the case, will be retried in January because the judge declared his May trial a mistrial, after jurors could not reach a verdict. Monica Evans, Fox 4 News.